It's a statistic you may not be familiar with, but pulmonary embolisms are the third leading cause of death among Black women before and after pregnancy. Tonight in Newark, an emotional and heartbreaking vigil held for a 30-year-old woman who died from an embolism just 2 weeks after giving birth. Eyewitness News reporter Sonia Rincon with the urgent call for awareness and action to address these growing crises.
It's happened again. A baby left without her mother, a Black mom who died suddenly this summer, only a couple of weeks after giving birth.
Like, I could be the best father, I can be the greatest dad in the world, but I can't be her mom.
Saladin Merritt says his partner, Drea Austin, was an amazing mom to her newborn and 10-year-old daughters. She had a blood clot from her first pregnancy, something that should have been more closely monitored.
She should have been started on the right medicine. She should have been followed up closer after delivery.
The 30-year-old died when that blood clot went to her lung. Tonight at a vigil outside Newark City Hall, Drea's family and advocates called for policy changes in postpartum care. The Perinatal Health Equity Initiative says in New Jersey, 9 out of 10 maternal deaths are considered preventable, and more than half happen postpartum, like what happened to Drea. Earlier this month at Woodhull Hospital in Brooklyn, a woman became the third to die suddenly after giving birth there in 4 years. In New York State, pregnancy-related deaths are 5 times higher among Black women than white women. In New Jersey, 7 times higher.
The system is a broken system on how they treat our people, because my lady is just another name on the list that's going to keep going and going and going if we don't do something. So I just want Drea's name to be the last name if possible.
Advocates say it's been left up to hospitals and healthcare systems to make changes, but this keeps happening. It may be time for legislative action.
If we could structure a system where we've standardized care, we would have much better outcomes.
I refuse to just let Drea be another statistic.
In Newark, Sonia Rincon, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.